Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today Marlon and I are going to be going to the Miccosukees and we're going to be riding the airboat to see the alligators and stuff like that. So right now I'm heading to go meet up with Marlon and I'll see you guys when I'm there. Alright guys, so we made a stop here at McDonald's. We came to eat something quick. We're just here at McDonald's right now and yeah.
Check if it's right.
Sexy, give me that food. Oh shit, they want me. Oi! Oh my goodness.
Filming?
Yeah. Ay, Dios. Oi! Oh my god.
Guys, let's go the true American. It's hiking in the tall grass, eh? That's an American alligator. That's a juvenile, big enough to do some damage. Guys, if you want to see it better, you may stand on the seat. Stand on the seat. Take a better picture. So, American alligators are very lazy animals. 90% of the alligator's life, they spend it doing absolutely nothing. But of course, we don't see that on television because television is not real. As a matter of fact, a gator can stay on the same spot for up to 17 hours a day without moving any muscles. And they do that because they're just cold-blooded animals. They sit there and collect the energy from the sun, which allows a gator to grow, digest their food, and when they go underwater, they can hold their breath for a long time. Let me try to fix the boat. Hold on. What they do best. In reality, I believe there are only two reasons why a gator may attack a human. Number one, if you're being annoying, meaning you're poking the gator or you're trying to...
Look, there's one right there.
You just can't walk.
I know.
That's what we need to not be lead followers, we need to be leaders.
Look at that one. That one's like tieso.
Sí.
Look, se quedó así con la boca abierta. Look at it. There's so many here. There's nothing in here.
Se tira uno contra la seca. Mira, si tú eres guapa, you're pretty tough, girl, for being here like you're surprised like that.
They look like they're fake.
Right there. You didn't see it? It's right there. Right there.
Why?
They could just come over here. They probably haven't noticed that shit. Because the street's right there. That one's pretty big.
Mm-hmm.
Big.
Yeah.
What the fuck? She could come.
Yeah, dude. That's
The
crazy.
street's right there. ¿Sabes qué? ¿Por qué? Porque eso que está escapado. No se han dado cuenta si no lo espantan. I think so.
No, but I've seen some, bro, I've been here a lot of time with my friends y nosotros lo hemos visto en la calle.
To have them here in Florida. We keep them for educational shows, especially when you come here in the summertime. You don't see any alligators on your boat ride. You get to see a couple, learn about them. They don't stay in this area forever. We rotate them out of here on a regular basis.
What's the... Están criados ahí, más de tus 20 años no es lo mismo. ¿No?
Ready. Ready.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, so alligators and crocodiles live a long life. They can live as long as humans. It's not uncommon to find a real big one that might be 80 years old. And doesn't he have a nice smile? He does have about 80 teeth, 40 on top, 40 on bottom, and they shed their teeth. They go through about 3,000 teeth in their lifetime. Their teeth are hollow and they stack on top of each other. If they eat something and a tooth breaks off, the other one keeps growing right behind it. And their eyes are extraordinary. They're like on these big springs. They can spring down and retract in the cavities of their skull for protection, then they spring right back up again. I'm going to demonstrate that on him. Just going to gently touch his eyes. Watch what happens. They pop right into the skull, go completely flat, and they lift right up again. Now they have a second eyelid they use when they go under the water called a nictitating membrane. That one covers their eyes left to right, so under the water they do have some visibility and protection. Now can you guys spot their ears? Look close, just behind their eyes, you're going to see a little slit, a little opening. These are their ears. Very vocal reptiles. They love talking, they hiss, they bellow, they growl, and grunt. And then all the bony bumps you see on their back, these are called osteoderms. Osteo meaning bone, derm meaning skin. So you're looking at individual pieces of bone. They float in a layer of skin above their backbone. It is bone, so it's armor for them. It protects them a little bit, but they also act like solar panels. They sit in the sun, they absorb heat. The heat gets transferred through their body, which reptiles need to digest food or get energy to be able to move around. The biggest alligator on record in Florida is 14 feet, 3.5 inches, 1,043 pounds. That's double the size of the ones you're seeing in here. And males do get much bigger than females. So guys, if you do not interact with wild alligators, they actually have a...
Babe, let me see the pictures. Let me see so I can show them here. Open the big one. You want me to record for you?
I'm gonna record now outside the window. Look at the riding bikes, look. Hey, deep power. Propaganda para allí. Por 4 aquí, a ver. Forward drive.
Hi. Tirar una foto ahí. What about the front? So we made it home already. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.
Peace out.